My name is SANKET Narayane, the CEO of MultiCut Carbide Tools. Welcome to TLC Expo. So this is specially we developed this backspot press cutter for marine industries for making the counter hole from backside, and we have provided here the oil grooves. Okay, this is our very special product, and this is a self-locking system. In this product, if you see, there is no any grub screw. Yeah? This will lock if this tool rotates in cutting direction, and it will unlock while you rotate it anti-clockwise opposite to cutting direction. This is our very special product. This is our unique selling product, which is called backspot press cutter, and that we manufacture in HSS, brazed carbide, and indexable also. We are a manufacturer of wide range of cutting tools since from 1995, and we are serving to many industries: solid carbide tools, HSS tools, brazed carbide one, and indexable one, like die and mold industries, marine industries, aerospace industries, automobile industries, and we are supplying to many OEMs like Tata Motors, Kirloskar Oil Engine, TAFE is there, then HL is there, and we are customized tool manufacturer rather than standard tooling. Our focus is to manufacture the customized tooling only as per the requirement of customer.